So today we're going to talk about teacher burnout and how to reignite your passion for teaching. So are you feeling burnt out and stuck in routine? You are not alone. Let's talk about how to get your spark back. So let me start with this question. Are you ready to create something new? Are you ready to move forward? Or are you content staying where you're at? And it's okay if you want to stay where you're at. Go ahead, stop this video, and go get it out of your system. When you're ready, come back and let's talk. Are you still with me? Awesome. Let's talk about reframing, recreating, and starting a new way to think about education. So here's the solution, and here's what I've seen work. Bringing curiosity, creative and critical thinking, and collaboration into your classroom can boost energy, enjoyment, excitement, and all around joy into your classroom. So let's talk about some strategies on how to make that simple, practical, and relevant, something you can start doing tomorrow. Number one, a lot of it starts with a mindset. You need to give yourself permission to not do everything. And what do I mean by that? You don't have to grade everything. Not every little assignment needs to have a grade in the grade book. I am giving you permission to not grade every little thing. Some things your students can grade for themselves. Some things a peer can grade. Some things just need a, oh, good job, and move on. That kind of formative feedback works. Give yourself grace. Give yourself a break. Don't grade everything. Step number two, let students take the lead. You don't always need to be in front of the classroom. One of the best ways that students learn is when they have to actually teach the lesson. So let them make the lesson plan. In fact, tell them, here's the content, here's the target, here's the skill. How do you think you should teach it? Let them do it. It's a great way to, one, learn how students love to learn. Two, let them use some technology, maybe even things you don't know about. And three, you get to sit back and watch them take the lead. Number three, collaborate. Have your teacher besties, those incredible, amazing teachers you work with, have them give you some ideas. You give them some ideas. It's a great way to lighten your load, work with other people, see what great minds can do when they come together. I always say there's great power when teachers come together and collaborate. So what are you waiting for? Work with those other amazing teachers, share ideas, come together. Creativity will abound and your stress level will go down. You will see what amazing things can happen and your joy will come together. And I guarantee you get a bunch of teachers together, the laughter will just permeate through the walls. You will have so much fun. All right, here's your last tidbit. Oftentimes we think we have to give our students all the information so that they're ready for that next big test. Stop. You really are just the activator. You press start, you give them a little bit, and you let them run with it. You are the spark that lights the flame. So give them a little bit, sprinkle a little bit, and let them run with it. Don't think you have to have this incredibly gorgeous creative lesson plan all set up if they're not really learning. So activate it, get it started, let them run with it. You will, I bet, be absolutely amazed at what your students will come up with, and you can sit back and enjoy the ride. So these have been some great, simple steps. Now, I would love to guarantee that you're never gonna feel burnt out again. I can't, but I can guarantee that teaching, educating, working with our youth is something that can change the world. So don't give up, hang in there, and keep working to reignite the joy in education. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.